Hello, guys. Good morning to all of you. And here, a beautiful and emotional conversation between a mother and her son, which is me. And the conversation you are going to watch, and I hope you will love it and you will enjoy it. And so, because of that, watch till the end. So, thank you very much. Let's go on.
3, 2, 1.
और बाबू कहाँ है?
वो कजन लेट में।
अच्छा। और भाई नाश्ता कब बना लो?
अरे भैया काय को नाश्ता रोटी बनी गए।
अच्छा अच्छा। और भाई सुना टाइम पास हो रही कि नहीं?
अरे भैया हो रही रे, मोड़ा मोड़ी में जी लगो रे मेरा तो।
हाँ अरे तो चल जानो, तो मैंने तेरे बोली तो मैंने कहा हफ्ता एक दो हफ्ता में चल जानो घूमन, दो ही साथ में चल जानो जब तक रेनो रे, जब तक मोड़ा मोड़ी से मिल जाए बस।
अरे भैया ऐसा ही चीज हो रहा।
चल जानो तो जब भी कर जब चल जानो। हाँ चल जानो।
अब स्कूल गए होगा।
इतवार के दिन जाना, छुट्टी दे वाले।
हाँ
और भाई सब बढ़िया? भाई है नारे की नहीं मिलन का आज मोहल्ला की?
अरे बेटा अब रोज आवे कभी आजा कभी जभी।
कभी जभी।
और अच्छा
अच्छा। और
अब पानी गिर रहा है सब फसले घर है।
पानी रोज गिर रहा है?
हाँ भैया रोज ही गिर रहा पानी, थोड़ा थोड़ा ज्यादा तो नहीं गिर रहा।
थोड़ो थोड़ो।
हाँ।
और धान कितनी बड़ी हो गई भाई?
क्या?
धान धान खेत में?
धान तो बड़ी बड़ी हो गई बेटो।
तो अब तो पानी गिर रहा, तो पानी देने को तो कोई मतलब नहीं है ना?
अरे पानी गिर रहा जैसे अबे नहीं दे रहे अबे तो।
अच्छा अच्छा।
ये अबे
हम्म।
तो पानी है।
और जी तो अच्छा है भाई तेरा?
हाँ बढ़िया है भैया।
हाँ तो रोटी पानी टाइम टेबल से खा लेना भाई।
हाँ
और शाम के टाइम थोड़े, सुबह खाना लेट बने तो फिर शाम के टाइम थोड़ी ज्यादा बना लेना, फिर उनके एक साथ तो खा लेना रोटी रोटी।
हाँ बेटा भूख भी नहीं लगे।
और भाई
ये रात की रखी रे तो खा लूंगी एक रात तो।
हाँ भाई अब मैं तो काम पे है वो, फिर मैं लगाऊंगा फुर्सत होके। हाँ
क्या?
इनके काम धाम चल रहा तो मैं तो फुर्सत होके लगाऊंगा दोपहरी में।
हाँ बेटो हाँ।
हाँ भाई ठीक है। हाँ अच्छी रहना भाई। हाँ
हाँ
हाँ ठीक है।
Yeah, yesterday I got a call, and it was my mother call I have received when I was on my workplace. So I got call, and the conversation happened at that time. Okay, so she were asking about to me, how are you, my son? How's it going? So then I said to her, yeah, I'm doing great. I'm pretty well. And then I asked to her, okay, so my dear mama, had you breakfast or not? So she were telling that, okay, yeah, still not, because the breakfast is still no preparing, and by my father. Let me tell you, my parents, my father and mother, they live at place, and they live separately as among of the other rest of the family members. They live in urban area and city area. So due to that, they resided at my place. I would say they live separately over there. So what happened at that conversation? Okay, she has asked so many things, and even she was telling about to meet their grandson and granddaughters. They live in city area, in urban area, with my wife and with my sister-in-law. So she was telling, okay, so I just want to meet them, and she is really worried about to meet them, and because they live outside, they live far away from the place, I would say it's not 7 kilometers away from the place they reside, their grandson and granddaughter. So she were telling about to meet them. Then I said to her, okay, so my dear mom, you okay? So once in a week you can visit there along with your with my father. I would say I said to her, okay, so you can visit over there once or twice in a week. Okay, so then I said to her, yeah, so always I have been asking to her, okay, so how are you, my mother? Because let me tell you about my mother. Actually, she lives separately, and unfortunately, she can't able to see. Okay, yeah, her eyes is not able to watch something, which means she can't able to see. And sometimes I have been so much worried about to her. Actually, she can't able to see, and even she lives separately at village with my father. So always when I talk with her, so I would say I become hopeless. And let me tell you about myself. Okay, so I'm a son of my mother and father. I would say they live separately in village, and I would say always I have been residing outside from my place. So since long period, I would say since 2009 to till now, I have been residing away from my parents due to my work, due to my profession. Being I'm a working personnel, I have been residing outside from my native place. I'm just have been residing away from my parents since long periods. I would say due to that, I have been always I worry about them. How are they? How they are surviving? Because they are aged and they are running more than 60 years. Both of the parents, I would say, they are up to 60 years age is running over there, which means they are aged. So always I'm so much worried about them. So due to that, yeah, in that conversation she has asked about to I have asked about to actually at my place there is a little bit field area, I would say. So in these days there is no paddy crops is growing, right, and already grown off. So I was asking about, okay, so what about the paddy crops? I think it's grown up or something. So I was asked to her, okay, so then she said, okay, yeah, which is grown up already and growing as well. Okay, so she said, and then after I asked to her, okay, and she were telling about for last couple of days they were raining have been going on over there. So she were telling about for last couple of days the raining have been going on over there. So yeah, so even I have asked about to her, and let me tell you about my mother actually. And I'm so worried about to her because she can't able to see it. Actually she has illness. I would say let me tell you about the illness she has. Why she can't able to see it? Because she has been suffering since their childhood about the Ratondi. It is a kind of disease. Okay, so due to Ratondi, she has been suffering since their childhood. When at that time, being a working person in these days, but at that time when she were in their childhood, then when she grown up, when she become mature, since then because she were not wealthy at that time, she were not able to treat of the disease where she has been suffering at that time. So she didn't take care about this, she didn't treat as well. Due to that, now the situation she has been suffering, and I would say now the situation she has, she can't able to see it, right? So it is one of the I would say disadvantage she has. And being I'm a son of my mother, I'm always have been worrying about to him because I reside outside, and each and every time I'm worried about to her. And she is really kind, and being I'm a son of my mother, so always I just want to take care of him, but unfortunately I reside outside. So kind of the situation I have, and I just wanted to share with you all, and in this way I can narrate the story, and I'm just practicing in this way to to narrating a story with my mother and son, right? So due to that, I have decided to narrate or create a story, and even I am just want to share with you all. So in this way, the discussion happened at that time. I would say yesterday I got a call to my mother, and yeah, so kind of the discussion happened at that time. So thank you very much, guys, and it's really I'm really happy to share my story with you all in this way, and simultaneously I am just improving and polishing my skill in this language. So yeah, thank you very much once again. Have a great day.